Okay, solving equations. So two options, and it really doesn't matter which you go for. You either work in radians or you work in degrees and convert. You may want to do this to start with. So working in working in degrees and converting your answers to radians to start with, and then work towards working in radians, and that's fine as well. So whatever you feel comfortable with. So if we start with cos theta equals a half for 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 2 pi. So the only way you know whether you leave your answers in radians or degrees is from this domain. And so theta is between 0 and 2 pi. And because of the use of pi, you know that that's radians. So if you're working in degrees, you would just do this as normal. So you do cos theta equals a half. And if you're at all shaky on this from the stuff we did before, you need to address that. So you do shift cos of a half, you get theta equals 60 degrees. And then if you go to your cos curve, that's 2 pi or 360 degrees. So you go forward 60, back 60 from the end. So theta is 60 or theta is 300. And then if you times by pi and divide by 180, you can convert those to radians. If you leave your answers in degrees on the radians questions, you will not get your answer marks. So that's that one. If you want to work in radians, you need to put your calculator in radians mode, because your calculator needs to know what form of angle to give you. So put calculator in radians mode. And to do that, I think how you do that now. So you do, I don't know if you can see that, I hope you can. You do shift, menu, angle unit, and then you get degree, radian or gradian. So choose option 2 there. And then you do exactly the same process. So cos theta equals a half. So you do shift cos a half, and your calculator will give you pi by 3 as an answer in radians. If it doesn't give you a fraction, let me know and I'll try and work out what you need to do in your calculator to get a fraction in, but you should get a fraction pi by 3. And then you work in radians. So if I go back to my sketch here, that's 2 pi radians. So I've gone forward pi by 3 and I go back pi by 3 from 2 pi. So or theta equals 2 pi minus pi by 3, which gives you 5 pi by 3.